how would you like to react to that?
I do not want to enter into a controversy. In a democratic setup, the Chief Minister is entitled to have his own, her own analysis of any situation based on the political doctrines which they uphold. I welcome that. That's the beauty of democracy. As far as I am concerned, I do not want to give any comment on the Kumbh Mela as a governor. I went there as a humble participant in the process. I see Kumbh Mela as the acme of the culmination of the great heritage which India has. Kumbh Mela for everyone is a communion with God. The ordinary persons who came there came voluntarily, lakhs and lakhs of them, if I may say so, 52 crores as per the official estimate. They came there on their own because they wanted to realize what I've been told the whole time, Aham Brahmasmi or Tatvamasi. This Kumbh Mela is a rainbow bridge which connects the earth with the sky, the man with his gods, the inner world with the outer world. I find it as the excellence of India's tradition and culture, and as far as political statements are made, I have no comments to make. I, as a devout person who shares the great heritage of India, I feel this Kumbh Mela is Mukti Mela. This Kumbh Mela is Mrityunjay Mela. Thank you.
So what about there's so many lives were lost in the several